Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to see me. This is my second day for the hashtag Love Fall Art 2019, and it is part of the group Creative Arts Collaboration. Let me go on and cross off the 19th here. That one will be finished here momentarily. And again, thanks to Cinnamon for the invite from the group. If you did not see my first video, please go watch it and you'll understand what this all means. Okay, so let's go on and jump into my second tag. And here it is. With this tag, of course, I used that coffee dyed folder again and, trimmed the outside with marker. And in this case, I, after putting the stickers and everything on it and putting my little poem on it, trying to see if I can put my hands on the paint that I used. Yeah, here, hold on. What I did is I washed each tag with some old clumpy paint I had. And again, if you've watched me for any length of time, you know that I have been trying to get rid of old paint, and I've been doing pretty good too. This is the year that I use what I have. Haha. And I mixed this old clumpy paint with some Floetrol. Now I have to say, this paint was so darn clumpy, even the Floetrol had a difficult time penetrating and de-lumping it all. De-lumping, is that a word? Anyway, so I just put a little bit out on my jelly plate, and I got to tell you, I use my small jelly plate kind of as a palette, because even if it dries on there, I can pick it up with tape. I'm always daubing paint or paper or envelopes on here to clean it up some. So I put some out there, and then I just simply took a brush and kind of did a wash over all of it. It dulled down the stickers so that they were not as shiny, and then it dulled down the white paper. And once again, I used the same book of poems that I did from yesterday, Poetic Voices of America, and it was in spring of 1994. So I've just kind of been on that kick lately. And this poem now is called Autumn Leaves. The autumn leaves are all aglow, beaming orange, red, and yellow. To see leaves aflame my heart sings. I love the falls more than the springs. Sad am I that they shall turn brown. 'Tis the sign they fall to the ground. And that was written by Eileen Todd. Remember, back in 1994. So anyhow, that is my second tag, and I appreciate you coming by. And like I said, if you didn't watch my first video of this collab from yesterday, please do, and you'll know the whole story of why I have this written on the back of my tags. So again, thank you very much for coming by. Please consider giving me a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. I greatly do appreciate you very much. Bye-bye.